The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, north central Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, southeastern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, Camden County in southern New Jersey, southern Mercer County in central New Jersey, northwestern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Salem County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Until midnight at 10:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Pipersville to Hollywood Beach, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, Wilmington, Vineland, York, Millville, Bridgeton, Middletown, Westchester, Elkton, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Bensalem, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Ewing, Norristown, Chester, and Willingboro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A statement from the National Weather Service.
Holy crap!
Thunderstorm will affect
Yep. Dude, that was amazing.